Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Opayly whiskey glasses. This box comes in a set of 4. Each glass holds 12 ounce and supposed to be large enough to hold large cubes or spherical spherical ice cubes, I guess. So let's go ahead and open it. Comes in a nice box like this. Says here lifetime warranty, 30 days money back, 24/7 customer service, and looks like they have recipes for whiskey sour and old fashioned here. So it's got a nice design at the bottom here. And the weight is very nice actually. It feels great to hold. So it's a pretty decent whiskey glass. So a lot of people wonder, based on the size of the glass, will it fit a large-sized ice cube? The newer ice cube molds that can mold into 2-inch diameter or 2.5-inch diameter ice cubes. So let's see how wide this glass is. So the diameter measures slightly over 3 inches here, as you can see. So with a roughly 3-inch, a little over 3-inch diameter, I would say 3 1/4 inch. So a lot of the ice cubes, the newer ice molds, they're 2 to 2.5 inches in diameter. So this should easily fit any large ice cube that you want to put in there. So the final product looks like this. The ice cube's very clear. You can see all the way to the bottom of the glass. I'll include a link for this specific whiskey glass as well. It's a very nice looking glass. So once your drink is done, it's going to look nice and delicious like this. So it'll be a nice wow factor at any party, so you can entertain your guests. Cheers.